For this assignment, we will be using our Your Turn practice book. It looks like this. Next, you're going to turn to page 123. Before we do our writing on page 123, we're going to read our story. This is your story. So you're going to ask an adult to help you pull it out, fold it, and practice reading it. And then we're going to write about it on page 123. Here's my book. Let's start reading at the top. You and I. We can go to the park. We can do a puzzle. Can we do it? You and I can do it. Now, you're going to go back to page 123 and write about what the children in the story did. I'm going to write that they go to the park. This is what my sentence looks like. You can write your sentence like mine. You can also add more things that the children did. Go back and look at the pictures for clues. When you're done, ask an adult to help you. Take a picture and post it to Google Classroom.